In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a battery icon in Figma. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's jump straight into it. First, open Figma and create a new frame. To do this, simply head over to your Figma files and select the Frame tool from the toolbar, which looks like a rectangle with a plus sign. When you create your frame, make sure it's the size you want for your battery icon. This is the base where all the elements of your icon will come together. Once you have your frame ready, the next step is to draw a rectangle that will form the main structure of your battery. This is crucial because it sets the foundation for your icon. After drawing the rectangle, you'll want to add a stroke. This thickens the border of the rectangle, which gives it a more defined look, making it stand out. You can adjust the thickness of the stroke in the Properties panel on the right. Now that we have our rectangle, we need to soften those sharp corners to give our battery a more rounded, friendly appearance. To do this, add a radius to each corner of your rectangle. You can typically find the corner radius option in the Properties panel. Adjust it to your preference. Usually, a radius of around 10 to 20 pixels works well for a well-rounded battery icon. After that, it's time to add a bit more detail. Draw a smaller rectangle, which will serve as the battery's connector or terminal. This rectangle should be positioned in front of the larger rectangle you've just created. Fill this smaller rectangle with a black color to distinguish it from the rest of the battery casing. Now we move on to the visual representation of the battery charge itself. Create another rectangle, ensuring it's a different fill color. Let's go with green this time. This rectangle represents the charged portion of your battery and should be placed in the middle of the larger rectangle. Again, you'll want to add a corner radius to it as well to keep the visual language consistent with the rest of the design. As you place the green rectangle, make sure it isn't too high. You want it to look balanced and realistic against the structure of the battery icon. Once you've got that green battery charge in there, we can create a similar shape but with a different color. Red, for example. This red rectangle represents a low battery. Just like the green one, you want to make sure it's a smaller rectangle so it looks like it's indicating a lower charge. At this point, you should have your battery icon completed. The beauty of creating icons in Figma is that you can change colors, sizes, and shapes even after you've drawn them, so feel free to tweak until you're satisfied with the final result. And that's it. You've successfully created a battery icon in Figma. Don't forget to group your shapes to keep everything organized. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and fun. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more design tips. Thanks for watching and happy designing.